Welcome back. The Ordinary just launched new serum, which name is the Ordinary Balancing and Clarifying Serum. This serum is an impressive addition to any skincare routine, especially for those with oily or combination skin. This oil-free, silicone-free, vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free serum comes in a UV-protected glass bottle and is priced at an affordable $19 for 30 ml. The serum helps reduce the look of pores, excess oil, and uneven skin texture, making it ideal for blemish-prone and congested skin. The formulation works effectively to minimize the appearance of enlarged pores, a common concern for oily skin types. It helps control oil production, leaving the skin with a balanced and matte finish. Regular use results in smoother-looking skin by reducing uneven skin texture. It aids in fading visible post-acne marks, promoting a clearer complexion. Despite its oil-controlling properties, the serum provides lasting hydration, preventing the skin from drying out. Ingredients like ectoin and lactococcus ferment lysate help protect and support the skin barrier. Overall, the serum enhances skin radiance, giving it a healthy and glowing appearance. Let's talk about its key ingredients. It has sarcosine and L-carnitine reduce oiliness and shine. Polyleucine, another oiliness-reducing agent with a unique structure, while adenosine helps minimize pores and textured skin. N-acetylglucosamine provides gentle exfoliation and targets uneven skin tone, while ectoin maintains skin hydration and protects against water loss. Lactococcus ferment, lysate, supports the skin barrier. How to use. The serum has a water-like consistency and absorbs quickly, leaving a hydrated glow that dries down completely in under 5 minutes. It's suitable for use both in the morning and at night, and works well in conjunction with other skincare products. Final thoughts. While the gentle exfoliating ingredients may not be strong enough for those looking for more intense exfoliation, they are perfect for sensitive skin. I noticed a reduction in oiliness and enjoyed the added hydration. Given its affordability, gentle nature, and effectiveness in controlling oil production, I highly recommend the Ordinary's Balancing and Clarifying Serum for oily and combination skin types.